Hello, today we're going to remove the blades of our Litheli tools U20 Handy Plus Cordless Lawnmower. We remove the battery from the mower first. We turn the mower on the side to expose the underside of the blade housing. And then it goes. We use a cloth to grip the blade or wear heavy-duty gloves. We're using a 16mm lock wrench and remove the lock nut securely by the blade by turning the lock nut counterclockwise. After we perform this, take care of your fingers, of course, because of the blade. We carefully remove the blade after this, and then we remove the blade completely. After this process, we have the blade in our hands, and we can make a checkup of the blade, and after this, we can continue with our things we have to do with it. Now we can continue with sharpening the blade. Sharpening the blade twice during a mowing season is usually sufficient and under normal circumstances. Without the causes the blade to dull the quickly. If our lawn has sandy soil, more frequent sharpening may be required, of course. We make sure that the blade remains balanced. We sharpen the blade at the original cutting angle. We sharpen the cutting edges on both ends of the blade itself. We remove an equal amount of material from each end because of the balancing. Of course, we have to remove the blade from the mower first. Then we secure the blade in a vise. We wear proper eye protection and gloves and be careful not to cut ourselves. We carefully fill the cutting edges of the blade with a fine tooth file or sharpening stone. We maintaining the original cutting edge angle. To check the blade balance, we clamp a nail or a screwdriver with a round chang in the horizontal position. We position the blade so that the nail or the round shank of the screwdriver supports the blade through its center hole. We balance the blade horizontally. If either end of the blade rotates downward, we remove some material from the heavy or lower end until the blade is balanced. It is balanced when neither end drops. And then we balanced and we sharpen our blade of our device, the lawnmower, and we can continue with, for example, the installation process immediately. To get the blade into the position back, it's really easy. We get the blade in the center. We are going to use the screw which we removed before, or we replace it with a new one, and then we tighten it. The tightening is the same. We are going to use a 16mm nut and a socket wrench, for example, and we tighten it clockwise until it is hot tightened, because it has to be really tightened because it is a rotating thing while we're mowing. It is important that it is really get in position there. For this, the best choice is use a torque wrench to tighten this nut or this screw with 49 up to 59 Newton meters. Okay, really, really important that it is really tight at the center of our lawnmower. And after this, the process is done, and we can get back on the grass field again with our lawnmower. In this case, here it's the Litheli tool U20 Handy Plus Cordless Lawnmower, but the process is nearly the same at all kind of lawnmowers out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.